Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to erase a layer in IbisPaint X. First, open your project and navigate to the Layers window, usually located at the bottom right. This window displays all your active layers. Carefully tap on the layer you intend to remove to ensure it is selected. This is a crucial first step to avoid accidentally deleting the wrong content. Make sure you are 100% certain of your selection before proceeding. Once your target layer is selected, direct your attention to the bottom of the Layers window. You will see several icons, including a trash can symbol. Tapping this icon will prompt the application to ask for confirmation. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental deletions. Take a moment to review the prompt and ensure you are ready to proceed with removing the layer and all its contents. After tapping the trash can icon, a confirmation message will appear. To finalize the deletion, simply tap OK or Yes on this prompt. The layer, along with everything on it, will be permanently erased from your project. It's important to remember that this specific action of deleting a layer cannot be reversed with the standard undo button, so always be absolutely sure before confirming. To prevent any accidental loss of work, always double-check your layer selection before hitting that delete button. If you only want to combine elements, consider merging layers instead of deleting. Alternatively, if you just need to temporarily remove a layer from view, simply tap the eye icon next to it in the Layers window. This will hide the layer without permanently erasing its content, offering a flexible alternative to deletion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.